Alright guys, welcome to today's core restore circuit. Now with core restore, this is going to be a little bit harder. We're going to focus a little bit on reverse crunches today. Okay, it's one of my favorite exercises. It's great for posture. It's a great way to build the abs. Each exercise is going to be for anywhere from 30 to 50 seconds. I'm going to do one round, just kind of show you guys what to do, and then perform for 3 to 4 rounds. And yeah, your lives are going to be amazing. So what we're going to do is we're going to start in a reverse crunch position like this. So I'm going to I have a plate on a chair, and make sure you weigh the chair down before you do anything else. And really just follow along with me here. Okay, so I'm going to just bring my knees to my chest. I'm just going to breathe in as I go back. And then just exhale. As I lower down, I'm trying to curl up into the tightest ball possible. Bring my knees to my elbows here. Feeling this. Got 3 more to go. And I know what you're thinking. This is probably more than 30 seconds and you're right. But I just decided to go for it. Give it 12 reps. Alright. So this next drill, we're going to be on all 4. We're going to grab a half foam roll. If you don't have that, you can put your hands on the ground. This is going to make it a little bit harder and more interesting. What I want to do is breathe in as I go up. Exhale. As I come back down. Now for this last move, all I'm going to do is breathe in as I rock back. Exhale as I come forward. So give that a go. Feel free to email any questions. And again, what I would do is 3 to 5 rounds of that. Just rewind this to the start, follow along with me, and enjoy yourself.